We are not here to steal anything, not job, not home. We are here just to live.
Everybody need the chance to live like normal person. Anyone, not like I am refugees. I didn't have the chance to be like normal person. Why?
We are here not because we want to be. We are here because we didn't have any choice, and we should be here for our children. And they can see what we have done, and they can see what we are coming to do in the next years. So I don't want to say them anything. I want to show them that we are person, just person.
I am Tarek. I am from Syria. I am refugees here in Spain.
And I am Zahra. I have two children, one that has 10 years and another one has 3 years. I worked in Syria in a bank, and there I met Tarek, and we are working together in IKEA. We lost everything in Syria. We lost our work. We lost our house. We worked to buy the house 9 years, and we lived in that house 3 months, and we lost it. We went to dinner, and we can't return back to the house because it's just stones. But the main reason,
It's our child.
our child.
And that's why we have decided to start the journey.
We just
Actually, not the journey
wanted our son to live in peace, just. So we decided to leave.
When we are talking about refugees, I don't know, this is something different. Like, you are refugees, but what does that mean? Can I go from here to my city again? Like, a lot of questions showing on your head. Can I live and work like normal person, or I am refugees? I didn't choose that I have to go with my life and one child of 3 years refugees. We are not here tourists. We are here to start a new life from 35 years. It's not something easy. All your life is now zero, and it's not start from zero. You will start from less than zero. You don't have languages, you don't have anything, you don't have passport, you can't travel for anywhere, and you have to start new life. Or you have new child.
I think that the refugee person is a hero because they started from nothing, and you can make a difference. I don't know, something beautiful. I'm proud for my work, for what I have it now, what he has started has now, because we have started with anything, with nothing, and we are here. We have work. We can communicate with the school with my son. We have a family in IKEA. We have friends.
If you will thinking about the history, our history, and what we had before, we will be always negative. It will not be the same always. What we had created, and now we are very grateful. We are very stable. Actually, in this house from 5 years,
The most important for us is that our childs are so happy. They have their life now, and they are so happy. So we didn't need anything. We didn't need anything else.